How to handle international shipping. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you handle international shipping. Now, handling international shipping involves several key steps, from preparing your package and documenting to manage cost and tracking delivery as well. So each country has a list of items that cannot be imported, such as flammable liquid, certain animal product, or arsenal. Now, carrier usually provide these information on their website. Now, some goods may require specific import license or certificate of the origin as well. And you also need to be aware of potential customer duties and taxes that recipient may handle to pay upon arrival clearly. So communicate these potential costs to avoid surprises as well. And these are some of the ways you could handle international shipping. You could also select the carrier and service as well, or prepare your package and complete the necessary document as well in order to handle international shipment. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.